Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be decorating a couple of tier trays. Come on with me, guys. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to say thank you so much for supporting my channels. Now, this is a tier tray collaboration, and hosting with me is Jennifer at Home and Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, and of course myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. If there's anyone else that's participating that I don't have my information with me, I will be linking them below in the description box. Now I'm going to go ahead and decorate these two tier trays, leave you to a little bit of music, and I'll see you at the reveal. All right, so I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.